In the dashboard, click on the 3 dots of any published Foleon doc and select Foleon Analytics. First, check the date range so you're able to analyze the data for your desired period. You can download a PDF file of the analytics report to share insights with your team quickly, or simply share the report URL with other users. Here, you'll see a graph with the number of unique visitors over time and metrics on a Foleon doc level. Further on, these pie charts show the percentage of new visitors versus returning visitors and the proportion of desktop, tablet and mobile visits. Next, you learn from metrics on a page level: page visits, unique visits, time on page, bounce rate and exit rates. Based on these metrics, you can analyze which pages might need a bit more attention. The page performance bar chart lets you analyze performance based on which pages are viewed most, where visitors enter your Foleon doc, where they bounce and where they exit. Learn more in our extensive help center at learn.foleon.com.